Hey everyone, my name's Ryan. Welcome to Ryan Reviews, and in this product review, we're going over the Milwaukee 12-volt Cordless Pruner Shears Kit. Now, I bought this product because I had some tree limbs that needed to be cut down, and this is what I bought to cut them down. Now, when you buy this product, you get three items. One, you get an M12 battery, you get an M12 charger, and you get the pruner shears. Now with the charger, it only charges the M12 batteries, which is the type of battery needed for the shears. When the battery is charging, it has a red light, and when the battery is done charging, there's a green light. Now the pruner itself uses the M12 battery, and there's many safety features on this product. One, the pruner shears won't operate without the battery. Two, there's an on-off switch on the shears. And three, there's a safety trigger where the pruners will not operate without the trigger in place. Now there's two modes for this pruning shears. One mode handles bigger branches and the other mode handles smaller branches. And when the shears are powered on, it stays in the open position for your safety. And I hope this brought some clarity to your buying journey.